Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Got the Nasdaq here down about 0.7%. We just made a new low from the overnight. Currently trying to bounce off of it. Got some important earnings after the bell today. We got Microsoft, Alphabet, a bunch of other names. I believe Facebook is tomorrow, and then Apple on Thursday, and Amazon and Twitter. Elon Musk just bought out Twitter, so it's pretty interesting. So as you can see, we are clearly starting to pull back from yesterday's rally, late afternoon rally. And yeah, nothing more to say on that. Currently trying to bounce off here. We have yesterday's or previous day's valley area low there. Did not close the point of control from the other day up here, so that's interesting to note. So we'll see what happens there. Market's gonna open up here in a couple minutes. Actually, it's already opening. But we'll try to make some larger view. So we're coming down here. Nice rejection off of previous day's value area low. Try to come back from it. Point of control or value area high from yesterday is right there. If we crack that, we're definitely going to go to point of control from yesterday. Just going to watch here. Don't really see a particular pattern forming. Did make quite a... We are making lower highs and lower lows here, so try to be patient. Looking at 30 minutes, don't really see any kind of structure forming yet. We do have, so we're coming down to valley area low from yesterday, or valley area high, sorry, from yesterday. Trying to bounce off of it right now. Cracked it. Don't know why my volume profile is not showing. 5 minute here. Maybe it is, maybe I just can't see it. We crack that. Probably gonna go down to point of control from yesterday. Got 2 minutes left of this 5 minute candle. Waiting for a pullback. Point of control shifted down here. Continuing to make lower lows. We do have a pretty nice gap above us for the SPY. Pretty big 5 minute candle range here. that bounce off. Point of control. Rejecting point of control. I'd like a retest of Valley Area High from yesterday. Maybe a good short entry. ES is also selling off. Nothing new there. Made a lower low on the NAS. I were continuing to go lower. Continue to make lower lows. Goodness. Maybe shorting point of control would have been nice, but it is what it is. Sorry, let's get some music going here. I'm sure my voice isn't the best in terms of music. Delta's pretty heavy. New 5-minute candle. Point of control shifted down again. And we continue to sell off. Goodness. I guess this might have been the retest we were looking for right here, but it's just too fast for us. Don't want to go short when we've gone down so much already. The control shifted down again. Got a lot of resistance above us. Finally a pullback. Right into the trend line. We're just gonna try it. Control shifted up again. Nice reversal. Should I put this at point of control from yesterday? Like that as a possible exit there. Nice selling off. Control shifting down. Primary downtrend is still intact. Just gonna try to keep a bit more on the table here. I don't think I'm gonna move this unless we break this trend line. got stopped out. 135 in that trade. Means good thing we stopped out. Trend line here is broken. Hopefully this is the retest that we were looking for. So now value area high from yesterday is also today's value area high. Be a good spot for short. Outside point of control. So up 135 on the day so far. Just pretty nice sell-off. That's all really that there is. Really no structure except selling off. So we got stopped out, then pulled back, then went down like lower. So just gonna be patient. Maybe another retest of this trend line, or if we come back up to value area high. Control. Still making lower lows. I think a snapback makes sense eventually. We are very disconnected from the 9. We have known to short it here, right? There's like really no indication for us to short it here, except guessing that this was the end of the pullback. Weird market. Did a really nice move yesterday and end of market. Then today we just absolutely retrace. Don't really see an area where it would potentially bounce. I'm gonna try to be patient because we can snap back pretty easy. We are pretty extended on this down move. Which sucks that we didn't take a short right up here. I'm sure we'll get a retest eventually. You look at that, exactly where we said the market was going to go. Point of control from yesterday. It's just unfortunate. Maybe next time, just watch for the break of Valley Area High. Do I want to short it here? Probably not. We're at point of control from yesterday. We can definitely bounce right here. So I want to be patient and wait and see what happens. And if we shorted, kept this short, which we probably would have, yeah, we definitely would have gotten stopped out. We would have hit our profit target here at point of control from yesterday. Really unfortunate, but that's just the way it is. Nice bounce off of it. Testing point of control currently. Such a sharp move down. Lost point of control. Yesterday brings us to Valley Area Low from yesterday as a possible target. It's like the bulls are trying to save it here. Bulls are trying to save it. Gonna save it. Could lose it here. Pullback makes sense. You consider this first leg. Looking at Valley Area High for a possible short. Broke the downtrend. Setting a point of control here. See what happens here at this high volume node. Traction temporarily. Looking good for a possible attempt at a reversal. In the hourly, Not looking good. You just hit this zone here. Pretty nice volume on selling side. Pullback makes sense. Question is what kind of structure is going to be forming here. Is this going to be a sustainable pullback? Probably not. ES looking a lot stronger than the NAS. Almost reversing this down move. Tempted to go short here, losing point of control. Missed our entry. Back down to point of control from yesterday. Need 5-minute candle, just kind of stalling out right now. I'll take a step short here. Target will be Valley area low from yesterday. Computer's really slow right now. It's kind of freaking me out. I keep that stop close just because we've been selling off so much. We definitely pop back up. Retest the point of control. Try it again. A little bit better entry, but kind of looks a bit stronger. Good rejection so far. Like to see us get more distance away from point of control from yesterday. So if now the bears kind of seem exhausted. Yeah, I'm good with not getting in here actually. I just feel like it's if I got point of control from yesterday entry, which I didn't, I'd be more inclined to stay into this position, but it's like right here it kind of looks like we could definitely bounce back up. If you ask me, we have somewhat of a channel starting here. So there's that. So we could bounce back up, come up to point of control. And today might be a good short opportunity. We'll see what happens here. Could have kept this, but it's just way too close for me. We weren't coming down hard at all. So I just killed it. We might just go all the way down to Valley area low, which it looks like we're doing. But at the same time, the risk to the upside is a little higher. We're still following this channel here, so in theory we should come back up. Unless we completely break the channel. Currently 100% on our trade so far. Hooray! And our trade would have worked out. It's unfortunate. I mean, it's fine. I think a pullback up here makes sense. So I'm just gonna try to be patient. It's like, look at this, just straight down, just straight down. 5 minutes left on this 30-minute candle. Just straight down. It's just amazing. Down, 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 down. Should get some kind of pullback. And then probably moves lower. Looking for shorts all day. Currently up 193 trades. Had some back-to-back trades. Probably shouldn't have taken. Should have put a limit order up here at point of control from yesterday. Really, we should have looked here and been like, oh, we were losing value area high from yesterday. Targets possibly point of control. Should have been looking for that. Obviously, we didn't early in the morning. Just wanted a bit more confirmation, I guess, as to what the market was trying to do. Just trying to be patient here. Could get some short covering that could cause us to bounce. It's a pretty extensive move down. In theory, we should bounce from here. In theory. Maybe a dead cat bounce up to point of control from yesterday. Or we just continue selling off all the way to value area low from yesterday. We're almost there. We're like a couple points. Really wishing I kept this trade now, but I was scared it was gonna pop back up here. But value area low from yesterday. Did exactly what we were thinking it was gonna do. Just gonna be patient. Watch what the market does here. Got all day to trade, so not too. Don't have much FOMO right now. Really interested to see what happens here at value area low. It's amazing we almost completely reversed our move from yesterday. And that's what bear markets do, right? Massive rallies, massive sell-offs. Part of it's due to short coverings. That's what the massive rallies usually come from. We're down so much, and then people cover their shorts, and then we have a day or two of massive rallying, probably caused by some FOMO and some short covering. So, not sure about yesterday, because the rally came late in the day, which is pretty interesting. But today definitely shows that bears are still in control. This triangle that just broke out of, looks like we're trying to get a bounce here from value area low from yesterday. If this channel holds out, we want a reject at point of control here. Just going to be a little cautious though on this. Just point of control from today is so close. We could just go right up there. They would invalidate this channel, but you could always hit it, pop it, go back down. And we broke value area low. Very interesting. Now we're going to the low of yesterday. This would have played out so well if this bar came sooner and I didn't kill this. Would have just put this right above here. Little bounce off of low from yesterday. So we're breaking lows from yesterday. There's the overnight lows sitting at around 3,200. That might be our target. Broke this channel lower. Just a massive acceleration to the downside. Pretty crazy. It's like there's really nothing that spooked the market. People just want to de-risk before earnings this afternoon, it seems. And we continue to go lower. I think a pullback makes sense. We have sold off considerably. Literally straight down. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a pullback to go short. I don't want to be chasing this. This can reverse anytime right now. Market started and we just reversed right away. Sitting on 190 profit. Nothing too big to complain about. However, we would have had this 100-point move. Dang it. That's okay though. So you never know. I mean, look, we could have bounced from here. Could have been a bear trap, and then we bounced. So that's all cool. It's fine. Just gonna wait for a pullback. See if we come back up here to value area low. See if that becomes an area where we reject off of. Yes, it's trying to make its moves up here. Got back into low from yesterday. It's important to note we made a lower low today. So we'll see what happens here. VWAP is pretty far away. We could try to short this value area low from yesterday, but I'd like to see a more extensive pullback than that. We'll see what delta looks like. We're getting a rejection here. Again, I don't want to FOMO into this. It's a nice rejection here. "35 minutes of just straight selling on the 5-minute. All those are trying to break above. Comes value area low for me today. I want to see this channel test. It's crazy too because my computer's super slow right now. So if we get this, I think 3,200 definitely on the table. Looks like we might not get it. See how slow my computer is? I don't know what is going on with it. Maybe somewhat of an uptrend here. Squint your eyes real There's a nice bounce, rejecting pretty much perfect double top. That'll probably get ran up. Bulls are trying to buy this thing up. Question's like, who's buying today? Who's looking to buy? It's crazy. I think we pop this double top. Maybe reject off of this area here. Go short if we break this trend line. Could get an extended rally up to under control from yesterday. So we're breaking the trend line. I should have waited for an actual retest of the trend line. I think 3,200's on the table if we lose this again. Just being patient here. Like to see more of a flush to the downside. There it is. Bring this to break even. $3,200 definitely on the table. There's the pullback we were waiting for. Didn't get in. Good entry up here. Big concern that, or I guess our limit order would have never hit because it didn't hit the top channel here. We're coming down really nice. 3,200 is a psychological number. And it's also the lows, overnight lows from previous day. That makes sense as a profit target for me. Pullback here is making me a little nervous. There's no way I can lose on this trade. Validation might be if we make a higher high. no way we can lose, but I want enough room where we don't get stopped out. But if we do get stopped out, we have at least a little bit of profit on the table. Yeah, selling off. See that? Just broke, made much lower lows. Nas didn't follow yet. There it is, made lower lows. We just might lose 3,200 here. It's looking pretty good. I'd like to see a good sweep to the downside. Wow, ES is tanking. There's the sweep we're talking about. We need to make lower lows. Broke 3,200. Psychological number there. Original profit target. So I'm going to leave this at 3,200. I like the trade management here. Could have done a better entry, but so original exit was 3,200. I think it's going to be psychological resistance there. Just might get stuffed out here, but yep, 710 on that trade, 900 on the day. Pretty happy with that trade. Would have been nice to see continual push to the downside here, but that's okay. 910 on the day, no losing trades. The one that got away was this one. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Obviously the downside, this downside momentum this morning was pretty high. So you guys notice I switched to the minute chart. I just found that with the range chart trading off of it, I was too impatient. And when you look at moves happen on the range chart, it looks significant, more significant than it really should be. And we have a continual move down here. Goodness. NAS slowing down. It's not selling off as much as the ES. ES taking considerable legs lower. Goodness. But yeah, would have been nice to see this play out a bit better. Or at least it didn't stop us out. Maybe I should have had my stop up on this level here instead. We did have the stop right here, the top of this, right at the side of this high volume node. Probably should have stuck with this side on the high volume node, but we would have gotten stopped out right here anyways. So Primarily saw this uptrend forming, uptrend broke, try to go for the retest, but that's what it looks like to me. Probably gonna stop here, 900. Honestly, it's been really difficult trading lately, so I'm gonna take a win as a win. Usually try to go for about 1200 profit, but I'm happy with 900. You look here, 100% win rate, no losses today. This could have been a lot higher, obviously, if we stuck with our trade here. But again, I was concerned that we would pump up and then I'd get a better entry up here somewhere, but it didn't happen that way. Both these trades, they would have been good, wouldn't have gotten stopped out. Well, actually, this one we would have. No, never mind. No, none of these we would have gotten stopped out. Yeah, would have been fine on this candle and this candle. We would have. This was like a lot of profit here, about $1,600 here. That's okay. I'm gonna call it there, and you guys will continue to trade. Hopefully, you guys have a profitable day. Peace.